Sorry,
Are you okay, bro?
what are you doing? I'm gonna get back to him. Alright, okay. What?
What's up?
It was an accident.
Part of the prep, bro.
What's that? Ice it! Ice it!